Hello everybody. Got some babies up and we need to get them down. I was just going to put lights on them, but they might drop before I come back out the shed, so no, they're going to go around again. Let's put some lights on. Put the lantern lights on. There we go. That one, that young'un that hurt its wing, it's got a hell of a bump under its wing from flying around the other day. Come on. Got some babies in the cage. One fresh one that I weaned this morning. That one there. Come on. It's getting a bit dusky now. Here they come round. Just let the rest of the droppers out. Come on. Here they come. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. All down. Look at old print in the window there, look. Come on. Come down here, look, you dopey. There's the one I weaned this morning, look. Ain't got a clue what's going on. Come down here, look, you. There we go. Drop us out. That's not all. There's another dropper. Come on. Hey, not you. That's it. There's all the bubbies. Right, I'm going to put these droppers away before I feed them. Get off. Actually give them a little bit of a treat. Feed them. They don't get a lot of food. Come on. Come on. One left. She's in. That's all. They're all cock birds and they're all hens, look. They go in their correct boxes. If you believe that, you believe anything. There's only 2 cock birds in out of all of them lot. Look at them. Right, I'm going to feed them on the aviary. I'm going to give them what we got in there. There we go. Got a bit of a homoform in there, look. Give that a mix. How much have we got in there? It's not even a tin full, look. There we go. Baked bean tin, 3/4 full. Oh, let's just get this one out of here. Come on, you. Come on, get through there. That's it. See, look at that. That couldn't even fly up onto the roof. I want to give him some food itself, really. Some beans. I want a bit of protein. Beans has had a bang. Yeah, I know that wing hanging. Yeah, I'm gonna put that one in there, and I'll give him some. I'll give him some breed and wean for himself. Bit of beans, bit of protein after he's hurt himself. There we go. That baby there won't eat nothing. That back one, that won't come over and eat, I doubt. Excuse the light. Look at that. Come on, him. See if that come over there. Come on. Come on. What's the matter with you? I don't know what's the matter with that one, flapping about. Come on. I'll get them all down here. Get the old piece of wood. Just change hands. Come on. Come on. Come on. Not you. Come on. Come that way. That's the baby. There we go. Just weaned that this morning, that one. Come on. Come on. Right, I'll leave them to get on with their grub. We've got water. I'll open that so they can come through when they like. That last dropper. Just pumping that baby there still. And these are the old birds, they've had food and water. You've had enough food. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Good girls. Look at her. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Come say hello. Come on. Alright. Crikey, that's 10 minutes. Right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.